The Kohler WasteLAB is basically a startup or a think tank that utilizes waste streams from on campus to re-envision how we look at waste and to create new products. So the WasteLAB is known right now mostly for the crackle collection. The next generation could be something totally different, utilizing a different set of waste streams. All of our waste streams are coming from our Kohler campus, so we're not bringing in waste streams from other areas. And Kohler's campus currently has the biggest variety of waste streams, which is allowing us to basically play with and imagine totally new ideas with the most amount of raw materials. A goal of the WasteLAB is to be transparent and part of that larger conversation, giving other companies a toolkit to reimagine how they utilize their waste. Kohler specifically has taken on a program called Design for Environment, and that is looking at all of the products we create from a holistic perspective, not just what we use to manufacture the materials, but all the way through packaging, marketing, end of life, consumer use, and all of those details to make sure that we're minimizing our impact as much as possible. The environment is going to be the main benefactor in the long run for this, but it's also not just looking at who benefits, but the process and the education and really making sustainability mainstream. I think partnerships are what make anything successful. You can't wear all the hats in a new business, and so allowing other people to support and utilize their expertise can really benefit anyone.